Hi, my name is Shannon. I'm a registered dietitian with Alberta Health Services. So you can chop or grate your ginger root to get the pieces into a very small or minced size. And here's a helpful tip. If you freeze your ginger root before grating it, it's easier to work with. So I have my frozen piece of ginger root, and I've got my zester, and I'm going to just grate it like this. We're going to peel 2 to 3 garlic cloves like this. So using your knife, press it on your board, and using the flat side of your knife, you can just press down on it. That makes the peel easy to remove. You can also use half a teaspoon of garlic powder instead. And if you're using garlic that is already minced, use 1 tablespoon.
Together, we do amazing things every day.